Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about of fill in the blanks, which is objective of test paper 3. Here first fill in the blanks is the earliest rock on the earth are the dash rock. Answer is igneous rock. Igneous rocks are oldest rock on the earth. Second is the igneous rocks are formed from molten rock called magma. Magma is the molten state of rock which is present in the mantle or core of the earth. Scientists who study rocks are called petrologists. So the scientists who study about rocks, they are named as petrologists. Iron can be extracted from iron ores such as. Answer is hematite. Hematite is an ore of iron. Dash is also called black gold. Answer is petroleum. Petroleum is also called black gold. The upper layer of the soil is called organic layer. What is the upper layer of the soil is called? Organic layer. Actually, the uppermost layer of the soil is called as topsoil, and in topsoil humus is present, that is called as organic layer, which is present on the upper part of the topsoil. That's why the answer will be organic layer. The weathering away of the soil soil by water or wind is called soil erosion. Next one is protection of soil from erosion is called as soil conservation. Actually, it is just opposite of soil erosion. Next is dash is a process in which a liquid changes into a gas. Name of the process is evaporation. Next, dash is a process in which a liquid changes into a solid. This is called as freezing. Actually, in this process, when we keep liquid in freezer, it converted into solid state. This is called as freezing. Substance whose molecule can carry electricity are called dash conductors of heat. These are called as good conductors of heat. Next, a push or pull acting on a body is called a force. So a push or pull is called as force, which can change the direction of force, which change the direction of an object, which can change the shape of an object. We can stop a moving object, which can move an object. These all are because of force only. So in next video we will discuss about short answer question of test paper 3. Okay, that's all for today.